Shakita, the golden lady. Yes. I don't know what my was here. Official prostitute. Oh yes, no challenger. Fuck a shred in I will be on it. Now we're the best thing that you want to bring is the monetary intro, but I don't want to feel what you're starting. Give that a scream right here. Yes. We have the last contestant for our 9 gentlemen on stage. Alright, we have some nice guys in this house who wants to let us know that they have a right. Of course, so loud. She is called Madame Theodora. That is how she prepares. She is called Madame Theodora. I present to you the sexiest shopping club, Theodora. Theodora. Oh yes. Madame Theodora, she's a very wealthy woman. She has businesses all over Accra and beyond. Yes. She is very practical as well. Oh yes.
I'm dealing with money. I'm dealing with money.
Oh, you play some of that. You know one of the words. She has done it. All my ladies, get ready to come and wave at our beautiful audience. I love this guy. Alright, let me introduce to you one handsome man from Nigeria. He has lived most of his life in the US, most of it in Germany, and also in Dubai. I present to you Mr. Carter with a round of applause. Mr. Carter, don't say Mr. Carter. Yes, Mr. Carter is here to showcase the workings. Of course, he is the only man in town. Yes, Mr. Carter said he has a lot of businesses in Anago, that is Nigeria, Lagos, Abuja connections. So if you want to do that, Mr. Carter is ready. He is fucking dusting. All the ladies want to see the dance tonight. Mr. Carter is spiritual, I can back out. Thank you, and I love you all. I remember I attended a party at right here. Wait, I'm kind of mentioned. Wait, you mean everything. See, the Americans are going to have to check out right now. What's wrong? Why is she? How are you? Well, what is there to be here?
William Adebayo. I got a club, one club. Come on here.
So Mr. DJ, let's dance. They are all coming, right? Let's dance. Hey, I'm back. The host of the show, the legendary. Can I hear you scream? I know you're not sitting here yet, but scream for 10 pounds. Oh yes. In an actual executive list.
No space.
Executive list. If you're bridesmaids, maids of honor. Hey, in your mouth. So that is the universe of name. Oh yes. The paparazzi, please give me a chance to present to you the queen of the night.